Okay, so to start, we're going to go to 2024.TourAlbertaForCancer.ca and go to our fundraising navigation under fundraising tools and tips, and you'll see the link to download our social media kit at the bottom of that page. Once it's downloaded, you can open it up, and inside there are a variety of different files full of goodies for you to utilize. Today, we're going to be talking about email signatures, so you can open that up. You'll see an image file, which is just the standard template that you are welcome to use, and then there's a PDF with a link to customize your own email signature through Canva. Once you get into Canva by following that link, you will have to log in. So if you have an account, go ahead and do that there. If not, you can create one for free. You do not need the pro account to do this. Then you're going to click File and make a copy. Once you've gotten into that copy, you can fully customize this by adding your own images. You're going to do that by navigating on the left-hand side to Uploads and then Upload Files. Find the image. I've just got some social media templates from our lovely riders there. So I'm going to pick one of those and pop it into my uploads, my images. Then you just drag and drop that to the frame, double click into it, and you can adjust the size and how it's fitting within that frame. And then you want to, of course, delete that link that's just there to help. Once you're happy with it, you hit the share button at the top right-hand side of the page and hit download. Now from here, you're going to choose what type of file. You're going to want an image file, whether that's JPEG or PNG, and then you're going to pick which page you want to download. So we're going to do the customized one, which is page 2, and hit download. From here, it should automatically download in your browser. You can open it up and then save it to a place that's convenient to grab when we get into our email signature. So save as there. Heading over to Gmail, you can go to Settings, See All Settings, and at the very bottom, near the bottom, there is the signature component there. Hit Add New Signature, Create New, and title your signature accordingly. We're going to do Tour Alberta Signature. Once you hit Create, there'll be a text box that pops up, and that's where we can add our image by clicking on the Add Image button. Go to Upload and then select your file. So wherever you saved that custom signature template, you can open that. Once it's in there, you'll see the image. Depending on the file size, you're going to have to probably shrink the image. If you click on it and then hit large, it seems to work good. And then you're going to want to hit the link icon to add in your link to your personal fundraising page. Unfortunately, with Gmail, it doesn't have the option to link the image. So you just add the text that you want to show up before that image. And then you're going to pop your personal fundraising URL in there. So go to your fundraising page, copy and paste that URL, hit OK, and then go to the bottom and hit Save Changes. That's an important step. Over to Outlook, you're going to want to create a new email. Go to Insert and then hit Signatures. From there, you can edit an existing signature or create a new one. We're going to create a Tour Alberta signature in here as well. Because this is my work signature, I am going to copy and paste my current signature into this new one. And then I'm going to hit enter and put the custom email footer below by hitting again that image icon. Finding that image file saved on my computer, click into it and then hit the hyperlink button. And again, we're going to copy and paste our URL. You can also access that from your personal fundraising dashboard. Hit OK and save. And again, close or OK. Now we can see anytime we compose an email, we can choose to toggle on our Tour Alberta e-signature, and the link will take you directly to your personal fundraising page. Back into that social media kit file, there are some written out instructions on how to do this in Outlook with some screenshots. So if you're looking for more of a step-by-step or a slower version, you're welcome to look at that. And the tour team is here to help with anything that we can. Happy fundraising. If you go back to the social media kit in that email file, you'll also find a PDF of written screenshot instructions on how to update your email signature for Outlook, so you can follow along with those detailed instructions as well. Please reach out to the tour team if you need any further support. We're always happy to help. Goodbye.